Hello, Scott Rosano with Gigbuilder.com. This is episode number 205, and we're going to go through what we call peer payments, and this is something new in Gigbuilder. It's also the very easiest way to start accepting payments from any of your clients. Although there are many other ways, we're just going to go through peer, and that's going to be Venmo and at this particular point, Cash App, although we may do more. So first of all, we're going to do through two different things. We're going to double check that we can allow our clients to make payments to begin with. So tools, web tools and setup, client options, and this is where you can tell your client what they can and cannot do. We want to make absolutely sure we've got a check mark right here, allow client to make payments. We hit save, and that's all we have to do from the client standpoint. Now the next thing we have to do is to go into System Setup. And from System Setup, we're going to go into Merchant Services. Now inside Merchant Services, there are a number of different things that we can do in here. And this video is only going to concentrate right here on peer-to-peer payments. All you need to do to activate this, if you want to use Venmo, is literally provide your Venmo user ID, which I'm going to show you how to do in a second. And the same with Cash App. If you've got a cash tag, simply place it right there. If you populate these fields, your client will be able to use them. So let's go over into Venmo. And here is Venmo on your computer. It's going to be obviously different on your phone. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to edit your information, either clicking here or clicking over here. And when we do so, that's going to bring up your information. And this is what you need for Gigbuilder. Notice it's @ followed by your name. And all you got to do is highlight the whole thing with your mouse. Press Control-C to copy. Pop back into your Gigbuilder. Highlight this. Go ahead and clear it. Control-V to paste. And there's your Venmo user ID. That's all you need to do. If we want to use Cash App, we can do the same thing as well with Cash App. You go into your Cash App, you create a cash tag, and it's a $, cash tag name, the whole thing. That's how you activate them. So let's go ahead and save this. And once that is saved, if you go to the event payment options, this is for where a client might be. I'm going to go ahead and refresh it. And notice that the payment method only has Venmo. It's the only one that we've set up. I hit make payment. I hit make my Venmo payment. That brings me to my Venmo screen. I make my pay. If I'm already logged in, it takes me right to the app on the phone, however it wants to be. When I'm completely done, I'm going to say I paid $100. I'm going to hit Submit Transaction. It's going to give it a second. Gigbuilder is going to record it. At the time it records it, it's then going to show their payment that was made. Then you get a text message. And with that text message, you get notification that this was made to check it with your bank and a link right on your cell phone that takes you straight to it. So that is how we work the Venmo payments and the Cash App payments inside Gigbuilder. Go ahead, play around with it a little bit, have some fun, and we'll see you in the next video.